Hi guys, my name is Hassan Hafiz and I love to be called and as my YouTube channel is going to be. Today I'm going to be bringing to you the unboxing and the 24-hour review of the Umidigi A3, and I would love you to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. There is more giveaways coming your way, as today's video is my first video. Now let's go right into it. Now this is the phone, the Umidigi A3. Wow. And this, the first thing I can notice here is that the welcome note from the Umidigi. Thank you for patronizing them and thank you for buying Umidigi products. Now the first thing I notice is we are having the Umidigi A3 first thing in the box. Now this is it. This is the Umidigi A3. Let's save the best for the last. Now the next thing is here I can see an envelope crested with the Umidigi logo, which includes, if I can see here, which includes the SIM ejector tools and the Umidigi A3 manual. Then the next thing inside the box is the charging adapter and the USB Type-C cable. This is not reversible cable, but the only shame thing here is that we are having the red type, not the black type that can be compatible with the adapter. Now let's go right into it. Now this is the phone, the Umidigi A3. Now the first thing I observe here is that it's covered with a with a black screen rather, and which and as well it's covered with a TPU case, a pouch, which I think is going to protect the phone from getting damaged easily. Now let's remove that and see how the phone looks like. So wow, it's a shining black phone. Yeah, this is the front and this is the back. Now the first thing here, we have to peel off the cover. Wow, it's a shiny black phone as you all can see, and at the back we are having the Umidigi as well. I think I don't want to remove that yet because of the prescription at the back. Now the only one thing I can observe here is that we are having the front facing camera, which is included at the back, which says the front camera, which is 8 megapixel, and the back camera we're having a 12 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera, and it includes a flashlight. The only one thing I observe about this phone is that it looks like the iPhone 10. The camera is just like this and the flashlight as well. The only thing here is that iPhone 10 does not have fingerprint scanner at the back. Now let's boot the phone and let's see. Okay, before we boot the phone, let's take a look around the corner and see the edges. The only thing on the left hand side here is the same hybrid tray. Let me remove it and let's see how it works. Yes, this is the same hybrid table, which includes the 2 Nano-SIM cards and 1 TF card, or memory card as you can call it. So this is one thing I observed about the Umidigi A3 on the left hand side. Let me just insert this back. And on the back, at the bottom here, we have the 3.5 mm audio jack, and we have the USB Type-C port and also the speaker. And on the right hand side we have the 3 rocker keys, which are the volume up to increase the volume and volume down, and as well as the switch to put on the phone. And on the top here we have nothing. Now let's go straight to the back. We have the fingerprint scanner at the back. We have the flashlight, which is a dual flashlight. We have the 12 megapixel camera and the 5 megapixel camera, and on the front we have the 8 megapixel camera, a receiver, which is the speaker that allows you to receive calls, and a notification LED, and as well as the light sensor we can see here. Now let's boot the phone and let's see how it works. As you can see, this is the Umidigi A3. It's booting. Still booting as well. The phone feels sharp, having a sharp edge at the back, but to be honest, the phone looks slim and it's pretty heavy. Just it weighs 150 grams. Now it doesn't have a SIM card inside. Yes, let's just connect it and let's see how it works. I'm going to connect it to a Wi-Fi and let's see, to enable us see the better features of this Umidigi A3. I'm connecting to my hotspot. Let me just put in the password. As you can see, the phone is booting. As you can see, I'm setting it up, checking for updates. Still updating. The only one good thing about this phone is that it is very fast in nature. It is equipped with 5.5-inch screen. This is not all screen display, but as for the Umidigi A3, it has a notch here looking like the iPhone XS, and it is close to all screen display. Now let's just start as new and set up everything so we can see the features of this phone. Checking the info. Asking for an email. Skip. In just a second. This is the Umidigi A3. As you can see, the phone is pretty heavy, but to be honest with you, it looks good in the hand. It's really good in the hand. Just keep all this. Asking me for my fingerprint. Let's test it. Now asking for the fingerprint. I'm setting up the fingerprint. As you can see, it's almost done. Next. That's it. It's honest. To be honest with you, it takes about. It's equipped with Android 8.0. As you can see, is a Android 8.1 stock Android. As you can see the stock Android. It has many things. Now the phone has 3G, it has 2G, 3G, and 4G as well. That's one thing I good about the phone. And as well, let's just see for updates. Yeah, the phone is updating, as you can see right here. The phone is updating. Now let's just put on the case back so it can protect it from getting damaged or from getting fallen easily. Now the only one thing I observe here as well is that the phone has inbuilt keys, inbuilt capacitive keys, which are 3. We have the back and we have the back here. Let's just try something here. So it's not showing yet, but the keys are, you can hide the keys. You can see the keys can be hidden and can be pop up back again. This is for the back, this is for the home key, and why this one can minimize. And I guess as well, this home key can be used for Google Play Talk. Then let's just try it out. Yes, I got it right. It can be used for Google Play as well. Just ask you some few questions. You can ask Google a few questions. Ask him, okay, what are the maps in Nigeria and the likes. Now let's check the storage of the phone. Let's go to the settings. Let's see how bright the phone is. Yeah, that's the notification from Google Play. Now this is how bright the phone is. And let's check the camera as well. No thanks. You can see the camera. You can see? And let's bring the camera and let's see how the camera looks like. Camera is not that good, but to be honest with you, it's still manageable. Then as well, let's check out the fingerprint. Let's check how fast the fingerprint looks like. Now, this is it. The fingerprint takes like half a second before it comes on. Let's check it again. My bad, that was me. It takes half a second again as well. Then let's check it again. You see, it's not recognized, but it takes half a second. Then let me try it again. It's not recognizing my fingerprint easily. Too many attempts. I think I have to. Yes. The phone really looks good. Let me just know your comments below. What do you think about this Umidigi A3? Whether for you to get it or not. But from what I observed here is that you can get the Umidigi A3. It looks not much heavy, doesn't weigh much. It's just like about $80 to $90, and in Nigeria here it's worth about 30,000 naira, from 20,000 naira to 30,000 naira. You can get it on Jumia, on in Nigeria here, and you can get it on AliExpress, on Gearbest and the likes. But here I got this one on Jumia precisely, and I think it came in just right today, and the phone is pretty good. The phone is nice, the phone is good, and very soon I'm going to show you my views on this Umidigi A3 for you to get it on that. But the only challenge here is that we have here in Nigeria is that the phones does not have the accessories to get in Nigeria. You have to get to China where it was manufactured to get the parts. But as Umidigi is coming into the market, Jumia is bringing some of the accessories, some of their parts, so you can get it. And I think you can go ahead to use it if you are ready to risk it. The risk here is that when the phone gets damaged, it's difficult for you to get the screen outside, or it's difficult for you to get the screen in the market. That's just the challenge about these phones. But to be honest with you, the phone looks good in the hand. The phone doesn't weigh heavy much. The phone has multiple tasks, can handle multiple tasks at once, and the phone is really good. Is equipped with Android 8.1. Let me know your comments below, and I really like you to like this video, to subscribe to my channel. This is my first video actually, and very soon another video is coming, and it might be a giveaway. You don't know yet, but I'm not going to promise about that. But now I just want you to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Azan Hafiz. I love to be called Ans. That's my nickname.